Hey, how's it going? Welcome to another crypto video, and today we are taking a look at Avalanche and the Avalanche coin, or the AVAX coin. So this is a great project. This is a smart contracts platform, and it is an Ethereum competitor, and it is ranked 35 on the coin market cap, and it has a market cap of $4 billion, and the circulating supply of coins is 128 million coins currently in circulation, and the max supply being 720 million coins. So this is a great project, guys. I will not dive deep into the fundamentals, but I will say that this is very good. It is looking very bullish, that there is still a room for growth, because you could say that 4 billion is a lot, but towards the end of this bull market, when we potentially get to 10 trillion market cap on the crypto in general, the crypto market cap, the entire crypto market cap, that is, with the alts and the Bitcoin together, that would be incredible. And there is a lot of growth, or a lot of room for growth for cryptos like these, the ones that have been building their projects in the bear market, and now they are shining as ever, as bright as ever. So if you are involved in this project, do let me know, guys. Do let me know when you got into this project. What are you excited about, and how many coins do you have, or are you doing anything with them? Are you swing trading? Basically, let me know what's going on with you and AVAX. But let's jump into the charts, guys, because I did get a request on this, and I do wanna follow up on your requests, guys. I do wanna get all your requests done. So on the daily chart, we have been at this level over here, as you can see, as $60, and I believe that was when the mainnet launched. So that is our all-time high at the moment, and we do have support and resistance levels already for you guys. So starting with this trend line, we are respecting this trend line right now. As you can see, we are bouncing off of it, and we do have multiple touches off of it. We did break down below it a bit, but as far as I'm concerned, you can consider this a good support line. Now, would AVAX be a good buy-in right now? Well, potentially. As you can see, this blue rectangular shaped here is the good buying area for you. So potentially we are coming up right now. We are making higher highs, and we do find ourselves in a broadening channel on the 4 hourly. We are going to take a look at that just in a moment. So as you can see, this was good for swing trading. So you buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, potentially buy back here, and now you are starting to look at an upside. So we do have our resistance level at 39.13 cents. That is our previous high, where we peaked out, made this top, and then went back down. So, and potentially what we do have here is a head and shoulders pattern forming. As you can see, I'm just gonna mark it out for you. So that was the head, that was the left shoulder, and now potentially we are having the right shoulder. So, and this would be the neckline. As you can see, this $34.41. This is the neckline. This would be the neckline, and we are we are we did actually wick there. So I believe it was 34.5, but we do want to close above this, because if we fail to do that, if we fail to hold above this resistance line, then we might actually come back down and test the 55 EMA on the daily, or perhaps test this support support trend line. So be cautious of that. Take a look at the charts, draw these support and resistance lines for yourself, guys. And we are potentially forming this right shoulder right now, and we do want to stay above it. If we come up, retest it, and go back up and potentially test this previous high, that would be bullish. The bearish scenario would be if we did wick up here once again, and we failed to get through, we got rejected, tested the previous level of $32.65. As you can see, the tags are over here, and then we're potentially coming back down. So to have a better idea of what's going on, let's throw the Fib retracement from swing high to swing low. There we go. So what I do want to bring your attention to is that we are still, for the full retracement to happen, we have to come back to that $60 price. And we are being suppressed down by this 0.236 level, guys. We can't get through it. We want to get through it right now. We want to close above it, and we want to go for the 0.382 level next. That is if we break out and invalidate this head and shoulders pattern, because we don't want to go down. We need some volume kicking in right now. And on the RSI, we don't look overbought. We are right there in the middle. Good spot for the RSI. We do need to get above this 0.236 level and close above it, guys. That is the most important thing right now. So that is it on the daily charts, and let's just bring this a bit lower from the previous high to the previous low on a shorter time frame or time scale, or whatever you want to say. So we are from the previous impulsive wave to the bottom, we are starting to come back up, and we are starting to get through the 0.5 level. As you can see, we did wick there a couple of times. We wanted to break out, but we couldn't. Now, with good volume coming in, we can actually do that. And as you can see, the 0.5 level, which is a very major resistance level, guys, that is what we want to break through. And once we do break through that, the 0.618 is the next retracement level that you wanna keep an eye on. And once we get through that, the sky is clear for all-time highs. Well, not all-time highs, but breaking at least the previous high, because we have this tendency of making higher highs. And if everything goes well, guys, then we should be looking at a new high and closing above this high, and potentially coming up to this resistance line, guys. And to close above there, that would mean that we are going to continue to respect this trend line over here, guys. And we are going to keep coming up like this. So perhaps and we could close somewhere above there at the end of this impulsive move, and then perhaps come back down and retest this 34 level, guys. So that is perhaps what is in play for AVAX. Do let me know if you are staking it, guys. By the way, because there is staking opportunities for this coin on Binance, let's jump into the 4-hour chart. As you can see, I mean, right now, if you want to buy in, then that would be a good buy. A bit risky right now. A bit risky. You should have bought in at this dip around $28, $29. And I am actually involved with AVAX myself, to be fully transparent with you. So on the RSI, we don't look overbought. We are starting to get up there. We are on the 56 level. So we are in this broadening channel over here. So we have formed this rising wedge, which is a fall from grace. So we did fall here, and now we're starting this uptrend movement, which is a rising wedge. Now, what we want to see ideally right now is us retest this 20 EMA, perhaps get enough fuel for the next high, and close above the previous high of 30 of this high of $34, and we'll close above it somewhere around 35, and that would mean that we are making higher highs once again, and then we can come back and test this support line of $32, or perhaps bounce off this trend line, because that would be the ideal move for us. And let's also take a look at the fib on the 4-hour chart. So throwing the fib up on the 4-hourly, we can see that we have actually we are breaking through the 0.5 level on the 4-hourly as well, guys. So we are looking bullish at the moment. But if we just zoom in a bit, so you do have this trend line over here, and you want to respect that for now. And if we do drop below it, then you can start looking for your targets over here at this perhaps bottom. And you do have a lot of support over here. So let's say that there is a bottom over here, and we do have our 0 level over here on the fib retracement. So this is how you get your support levels, guys. This is how you want to have your support levels. But I don't see us going down that low. If Bitcoin goes down, then obviously, yes, you can expect us to come back to these levels and break this broadening channel, but that would be bearish, and we don't want to see that. But as you can see, you can have a very bullish pattern on an altcoin, but then Bitcoin decides to shit the bed and gets, starts to get going down and drags the alts with it. And that is not what we want to see right now. So looking good on AVAX right now, guys. So this would be, we are above the buying zone right now. So you want to buy in here. So have your order limits anywhere from $30 to 30 to 31, $32 max, and we'll see how it goes from here, guys. But that is not financial advice, by the way. So we have made a bullish cross here. Then we did go down on the 20 EMA, as you can see, and we thought that we were going to make a bearish cross. And we had that EMA retest that sent the price up on the 4-hourly chart and set it above the 0.618 level. And now we are currently targeting and retesting the 0.5 level. And we wanna break through it and close above it, guys. That would be bullish for AVAX. But at this point, I'm just rambling on, guys. That is your TA for AVAX. To let me know if you are bullish on this coin. Have these support and resistance lines drawn out for yourself, just so you can see where the price can go and what could happen, because you do want to be prepared for every possible scenario. You do want to be prepared for a breakdown and have a stop loss, or you do want to have your sell orders ready if the price breaks out and hits these resistance levels and gets rejected off of them. So that is it for AVAX, guys. I do want to stop saying guys. Once again, I'm having this habit where I do say guys a lot. I do apologize. I'm going to start working on myself. So thank you for watching. Leave your comments down below saying what you think of this crypto. Do let me know if you're involved with it. And do you want me to cover any other cryptos? Let me know down below in the comments, guys. We are going to start a Telegram group chat soon because we are about to hit 2,000 subscribers. And I think it's going to be very, very exciting, guys. So I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.